जब मी टू मूवमेंट के बाद, क्योंकि हमें ज़्यादा बहुत सारे जो जिन एक्टर्स के ऊपर ऐसा कुछ आरोप या ये नाम आए थे, उनसे दूरी बना ली गई थी। आलोकनाथ सर से भी कई सारे लोगों ने उनसे भी दूरी बनाई थी। इस
देखिए, आई थिंक ये सही जगह नहीं है बात करने की इसके बारे में, और जब जिनकी आप बात कर रही हैं वो फिल्म उससे बहुत पहले कंप्लीट हो चुकी थी। या थैंक यू।
What do you have to say about actresses having lesser shelf life than actors in our industries? So
having less
shelf life. So taboo.
यार आई थिंक ये सवाल तूने 10 साल पहले लिखा होगा, क्योंकि आज वक्त बदल चुका है। They have more shelf life, as much shelf life.
But the
that's not true at all. I mean, I am sure everybody agrees. There's no difference in the shelf life anymore. था ये पहले, but अब नहीं है.
But the number of actors are definitely more than the number of actresses even if you count. So you have got a few Khans, you are there. The actresses
but it's
are
changed.
few.
No, it's changed. Lots of things are changing. She's here, Kajal is here. There's so many of them there. So things are changing. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसा होता ही नहीं है.
All right. Anybody wants to say I love you?
Love you too.
All right, quickly, we have to do the press conferences. Ajay is looking at his watch. I don't want any trouble. First, I don't want to ask any normal questions. They're very boring at these events where you ask plot के बारे में, film के बारे में, all that. So first question, film के बारे में and plot के बारे में. If you...
It's fun यार, मतलब देखा ना आपने, ऐसे कुछ plot वॉट नहीं है, मस्ती, मजा, बस ऐश करो.
Actually, trailer से plot समझ में आ जाता है.
Absolutely. But I want to ask you one thing, Ajay, which is that back in the old days, I won't mention Polar Country and all the other films, the split is a very important part of the phenomenon of Ajay Devgan. Everybody talks about that. And in the poster here, bar to hai, I don't know where it is, but I've seen it. There's a picture of you with one leg on each car, like they're doing the same split. I think the character is 50 years. He's supposed to be 50 years. And I'm thinking, 50 saal pe people are thinking more of, organ transplants, hair transplant, back repair, all this removing and putting back things. And you're doing splits. So I just...
the difference is, in the other films, वो physical split था. In this, it is an emotional split. एक तरफ एक लड़की है, दूसरी तरफ दूसरी लड़की है, दोनों के बीच में फंसा हुआ. उसको कहते ना कि पड़ी है. Of course, my my thought process is a little different because being a Parsi, I was looking at the cars, I didn't see the girls only. I'm just kidding. Which brings us...
What a compliment the moment you come on stage to hear this, that you didn't notice both of us.
You're married?
I'm married, yes, and she stayed.
And how many cars do you have?
But joint family, 3-4 तो है.
4 गाड़ियाँ हैं. एक बीवी और 4 गाड़ियाँ. So, Parsi.
एक बीवी, एक मम्मी, एक डैडी और दोस्त बहुत है sir. दोस्त बहुत है. All right, so let's quickly, Tabu, let's get a word in. What was it like, this entire experience? It sounds like really funny, zany comedy. Tell us. Working with the great Ajay Devgan, what was it like for both of you all?
You've heard me saying...
Just praise him, birthday तो है ना, तो praise करो, तारीफ करो, जल्दी.
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मजा आया, बहुत हंसे, बहुत खेले, और आज happy birthday है इनका. I've known him almost all the 50 years that he's almost...
कौन सा सर? कोमल सर, मैं, अकीब, be specific, कौन है सर? अजय दे हैविंग पर्सनल कॉल. आप SMS करो ना बाद में. Because सबका टाइम जाएगा इसमें. Okay, one slightly more difficult question. So which lady do you have more chemistry with, Ajay, in the film?
अरे यार.
This is the question.
How can I say that? I have chemistry with both.
Tabu wants to answer that. Okay.
He must be bored of me now.
Bored of you? Okay, let's hear it from the young lady.
See, I've turned 50. And 50 के अपने फायदे होते हैं. When I was 25, I had 1. Now I have 2. Okay.
Nice.
There you
Two.
go, you have the answer.
Bhai, 2.5.
4.5.
Okay, before we start the press conference, वो Pekka movement, I don't know if you watched the reaction. वो Pekka movement जब आपने किया था, I mean in the trailer, the reaction of the audience was fantastic. I don't know why. The pectoral. Punjabi में pectoral बोलते हैं ना, that. So when that happened, they went berserk. Which is, I understand some of the women, getting, looking at the good-looking man with a physique and all that. But the men went berserk. And I thought that was fantastic. All the men were also very happy. So I want to tell you, how do you like that shot, guys? Fantastic, no? See, men in the back, he's putting, superb. What's your name? Mohammed Ali from Hyderabad, you'll have a special meeting later. Special meeting.
Thank you.
एक साथ तबू जी और आप सेम कॉलेज
नहीं.
Tabuji, you were in college with the same gentleman?
No, I went to college in Bombay.
He followed you to college in Bombay and he waited outside for 3 years. You understand? Sir, बहुत साल के बाद मिला ना? Oh, very good. So, I love you, bolo sir ko. Everybody. Well done, well done, well done. Okay, are we ready for the press conference, guys? Yeah. Shall we go for it? Questions? Who's going to ask questions? Please tell us your name and be very nice and remember happy birthday. बोलना पड़ेगा every time. Can we have one more mic? Oh, we have. हाँ, we have.
और बांटने नीचे तो बांट दो ऐसे.
अजय और तब्बू, आप दोनों से सबसे पहले अजय आपको जन्मदिन की बधाई.
कहाँ है आप?
आपके लेफ्ट में. आप दोनों से सवाल है कि आप दोनों ने साथ में पहले भी काम किया एंड बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड भी रहे. कोई ऐसा यादगार जो आप दोनों से जुड़, कोई ऐसा.
सर इतना लंबा क्वेश्चन तो
नहीं मतलब आप दोनों इसके दोस्ती से रिलेटेड
ये पूरा फिल्म स्क्रिप्ट है. हाँ, बट आई गेट द पॉइंट. हाँ,
जो अब तक नहीं हमने जाना हो वो.
हमारे दोस्ती से रिलेटेड बहुत चीजें हैं. अब बोलना शुरू करेंगे तो कल तक आपको बैठना पड़ेगा.
तो सवाल से लंबा जवाब हो जाएगा.
फिर भी
शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं है कि आपका हाइट क्या है.
हम लोग बहुत कुछ अपने बारे में बात कर चुके हैं. अब क्या बात नहीं की है वो याद नहीं है.
Hi.
हाँ.
Can I ask?
Yes, yes, it's a democracy. You can ask. You don't have to ask. Just ask. हाँ.
I just want to know, like, what we get to understand. It's a quirky take on relationships. So what do you guys think about urban relationships presently? Like, you know, what's happening?
What do you mean by urban relationships?
The relationships that
Mike.
these days.
No, but be specific quickly. What kind of urban relationship? When there's an older woman, younger man, something like that?
Yeah, older man, younger woman. Ajay, what would you like to say about it?
Ma'am, the question is not clear.
I mean, no. I don't know. I don't know the question exactly. But actually, what you're asking has been said in the trailer itself.
So what is the take on that? What
The same as the characters.
Okay. Hi, Ajay.
It's complicated. Simple.
But okay, why don't you answer? Because मैंने सुना कि आपका पर्सनल स्टोरी है इसमें से maybe.
अभी तक तो मैं 41 का ही हूँ यार. मैं तो 9 साल बचे.
But first year junior college के बाहर I've seen you standing many times at this
अरे मैं फेल हो गया था यार. घर जाना पड़ा था. मम्मी रो रही थी, पापा रो रहे थे.
हाँ.
क्या फर्स्ट ईयर जूनियर कॉलेज.
तो वो second script है. Have you somewhat answered your question?
And Rakul, how is it working with the two veterans?
Of course, very good.
Veteran बोलने के लिए बहुत.
I say it was amazing.
There goes the star
working
cast. Now
with
you'll have to talk to me.
Amazingly talented people, and they were extremely warm. And it was.
You all should not ask such questions. अब हम लोग दोनों सामने खड़े हैं, हमारे बारे में बुराई करेंगे. आप मुझे बताइए.
And plus we've kept a teleprompter with the answers here.
If she hates us also, हमारे बारे में बुराई करेगी.
But it was amazing.
Hi Ajay, happy birthday.
Thank you.
अजय, इसमें फिल्म में एक डायलॉग के उम्र के हिसाब से शौक पालने चाहिए. तो 50 पे आपने कुछ नया करने की सोची है, कुछ चाह रहे हैं, कुछ सीखना नया?
भाई स्प्लिट के बाद और क्या कर सकता है आदमी?
उम्र के हिसाब से शौक पालने चाहिए तो उम्र तो आप क्या सोचते हो अपने बारे में उस हिसाब से होती है ना, नंबर के हिसाब से होती नहीं है. तो शौक तो काफी है.
Also
नहीं, कोई नया शौक आपने पाला हो जो आप सीखना चाह रहे हो अब?
मैम सेकंड क्वेश्चन के लिए पैसा देना पड़ेगा बिकॉज वी हैव अ सिस्टम हियर. वन क्वेश्चन पर पर्सन. टाइम की बात है इसमें. बट आई थिंक ही इज द फिटेस्ट. इज इट फेयर टू से कि अजय आपका जो फॉर्म है और बॉडी शेप जो है.
Not the fittest. I mean,
last 3-4 years.
So many of us, all my contemporaries, all are so fit here.
Yeah, but you really, I would say that your physique is better than it's ever been. Whatever I've seen for the last 20 years. Is that fair to say?
I think it must be a conscious decision because the intention was कि जो आप 25 साल की उम्र में कर सकते हो वो आज भी कर पाओ physically and I'm happy that I feel that I can do exactly.
And Akeem also, this is the best.
I'm in best shape possible.
Best shape in the last.
He's always been in one shape. Exactly in one shape. Consistent.
अजय सर, राहुल हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा. सबसे पहले तो हैप्पी बर्थडे सर. और मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है सर कि कहावत तो एक आपने सुनी होगी, बचपन में भी अभी भी सुनते होंगे कि बूढ़े बुजुर्ग बड़े बुजुर्ग आपसे यही कहते होंगे, हम सबसे कहते हैं कि 2 नाव पे पैर रख के कभी सवारी मत कर, कुछ नहीं होगा तेरा. बट आप तो इस बात को सीरियसली ले लिए. नाव तो क्या, 2 बाइक पे पैर रख के सवारी किया आपने, 2 गाड़ी पे पैर रख के सवारी किया, 2 घोड़े पे पैर रख के सवारी किया, फिर भी आज एक सक्सेसफुल एक्टर हैं, सक्सेसफुल पर्सन. क्या कहना है इस कहावत के बारे में सर?
फिल्मों में 2 पैर रखा था, रियल लाइफ में 1 ही पे, इसलिए सक्सेसफुल.
और ये सारी चीज ओलिक्स पे अवेलेबल है. Want to say something? Yeah. Okay,
Tabu,
questions?
Hi, Tabu, hi, Atika Faruqi from Colors Cineplex.
Hi, Atika.
Hi, Tabu. 50s is the 40s is the new 50s, 30s is the
40s
new
is the new
40s.
50s?
No, शायद मैं उल्टा बोल रही हूँ.
Got it.
Yeah, you got
We had shut the alcohol,
you
ना?
know, Tabu,
तो बंद किया था दारू?
Sorry. You know, Tabu's career, आपकी journey और आपका जो पूरा graph रहा है, it's testimony to the fact कि beyond a point, looks don't matter. It's your talent, the content that really matters. Or
means I
Ma'am,
don't
this
look
is not
good.
sounding like a compliment.
No.
I'm kidding.
But we know what
Go
she's
ahead.
saying.
So you know, and it's a beautiful
Youth doesn't matter.
concept. It doesn't matter actually. आप Western, आप Hollywood को देखिए, उसमें भी बहुत सारे examples अभी दिए. And love has got nothing to do with age. Your work, your talent has got nothing to do with age. क्या ऐसा time आएगा जब सिनेमा lead करता है, art imitates life and life imitates art. Older man and younger woman का concept बहुत पुराना है. दिलीप कुमार जी के ज़माने से लेके आज तक हमने examples भी सुने. Older woman and younger man का concept.
वो भी है. Balance the market. Balance the market.
Why not?
Chinikam was the...
उल्टा ही था.
And would it be a safe bet at the box office?
है कोई जवाब मैम?
Sure, I don't think it's not been attempted. I think it's...
हम लोग सोच रहे हैं. I think it's attempted. I mean, it's nothing.
Wake up, Sid.
It's a very normal
it's
thing.
not a very... Yeah, but it's not a very, like...
Let Akeem answer this, no? Because
Huge
second
phenomenon.
perspective. अलग perspective, ना? एक male, older male, now older
See,
female.
whatever is accepted in society, I think films will reflect that. I think the older man, younger woman concept or phenomena is more widely accepted in the world and in society, so we see more of it on screen.
We are
not
also
that
working
much,
on that other concept which is accepted, desperate man and any woman. That's a completely new, huh? Desperate man?
Tabu, you were saying, yeah, Tabu, please complete.
No, I'm sure that the society's choices and the way we live will reflect in cinema. Cinema is not happening in isolation, yeah.
And Ajay, as a producer, would that be as cool a concept on the big screen?
It's not bad. I mean, लिखो.
And who will you cast?
Actually, not bad. Yeah.
Ajay, she wants to know who will you cast then in that film with the older woman and younger man? You obviously younger man, older woman कौन?
पता नहीं यार सोचना पड़ेगा.
सोचना पड़ेगा.
करते कास्टिंग करते.
We'll have audition, round of audition, and we'll come get back to you on Twitter. Okay?
Thank you.
Chalo, how much time do we have for questions? Let's get a few more in fast. Yes? Shorter, huh? Sir, Mike. नहीं तो चिल्लाओ, हाँ.
What do you have to say about actresses having lesser shelf life than actors in our industries? So
having
lesser shelf life. So taboo.
यार I think ये सवाल तूने 10 साल पहले लिखा होगा क्योंकि आज वक्त बदल चुका है. They have more shelf life, as much shelf life.
But
that's not true at all. I mean, I am sure everybody agrees. There's no difference in the shelf life anymore. था ये पहले, but अब नहीं है.
But the number of actors are definitely more than the number of actresses even if you count. So you have got a few Khans, you are there. The actresses
but it's
are
changed.
few.
No, it's changed. Lots of things are changing. She's here. Kajal is here. There's so many of them there. So things are changing. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसा होता ही नहीं है.